Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, VIVO V17 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to perform first setup on this device. So firstly, we need to click on the blue button and choose our language, and click next. Choose your location, click agree, and connect to the Wi-Fi network. I want to connect to the 5G Wi-Fi network and enter the Wi-Fi network's password. Wait a while and click next. Your device will check for a new version of the OS, but you need to still wait. Then click Don't Copy, and I suggest you not to add the Google account to your device, because if you will do it right now, so it can create problems in the first setup process. So I suggest you add Google account after you will install, you will set up the system. So click Accept. Now you can enable AutoSync. Set up unlock method. So here you can set up fingerprint, you can set up password. So I suggest you use password without fingerprint right now. During the first setup, I suggest you set up fingerprint later in settings. So here find pattern, for example, and create the pattern log, click continue, wait again, click next, import if you wanna import data from old device. So to do it, you just need to scan QR code on the new one, from the old one, and in this way you will move your data to the new device, but I don't want to do it right now. Click skip, don't install any applications in the start, and click use now. Cool. And then after that you will need to open the Play Store and click sign in to sign into the Google account. Enter your email, enter your Google password, and click next. Next. I agree. Scroll down, accept. Cool. Now you need to wait a while until your device will install the new version of the Google Play Store. As you can see now, it's impossible to open it because, as you can see, our Google Play services is updating. After update, you will be able to open the Play Store, the new Play Store. I have a server error, but I need to wait a while, and great, it works. And as you can see, the latest interface, latest Google Play application. And great, now we can use our device in the way we want. And thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.